Hey everyone and welcome to Skill Convo, and in today's video we're going to discuss a bit about native ads. Media.net is one of the world's fastest growing contextual ad networks that helps publishers monetize their ad spaces by serving relevant keyword-based ads. The network boasts of a huge base of advertisers, mostly advertising in the Yahoo Bing network, and Media.net provides ad spaces for these ads. The company reported a net revenue of $232 million in the year 2015 and manages more than $450 million worth of managed ad spend. Almost 90% of the company's revenue comes from the US, and it shouldn't come as a surprise that they have offices across the US, along with the Middle East and India. Media.net follows a standard set of eligibility criteria. Your site should have original content and a good volume of traffic. Additionally, Media.net doesn't approve of sites which infringe with copyrighted materials or promotes information that influences the use of pirated materials or copyrighted content. Along with that, your site should be getting enough traffic from either the US, the UK or Canada. It should also contain content that is primarily in the English language, and like we mentioned before, it should have reasonable volume of traffic. At least 5,000 page views a day is a must. And last but not the least, it should have a good ad to text ratio. The standard approval for Media.net is around 7 days since the publisher team evaluates websites based on a number of factors, and depending on the volume of the applications, the approval is queued. However, we are now going to discuss how you can get approved by Media.net fast. If you're an existing publisher, then you can add new sites from your dashboard. However, that would again get into the queue list. To make things faster, you can personally mail your account manager who will instantly approve your website, and you can get started with the ad tags. If you're applying to Media.net for the first time, we suggest you the following Media.net approval tricks. First, increase your traffic from US and Canada. You can buy traffic from US and Canada. All you need to do is ensure that you're buying quality traffic from various native ad networks, and these traffic needs to be landing on your article page. Arbitrage is everything since demand and supply constantly hover across networks, and thus once you find the source of cheap tier 1 traffic, you can buy those traffic and monetize from Media.net ads on your website. Keep buying some initial volume of traffic. Then, use Alexa Premium. Using Alexa Premium boosts your overall Alexa traffic rank. Additionally, you can link back to other blogger sites and ask them to visit yours. In this way, you can greatly improve your Alexa traffic rank, something which Media.net focuses on while approving your site. After that, be sure to create content on product niches. If you can create content on product-based niches, specifically targeting the users in US and Canada, you are certainly going to get your account approved. Even once done, you can earn good volume of revenue from Media.net ads. We know publishers who make more than 10,000 from Yahoo ads just by doing traffic arbitrage on their product-based sites. So you can also make good money from Media.net once you track the model and get your website approved by Media.net fast. Alternatively, you can also add your website to your friend's approved Media.net account. If any publisher has a list of approved sites, and if he is earning from those sites, then chances of their sites getting approved on that account are higher, and you can use this trick to get your site approved by Media.net in less than a day's time. Just to add a little more info here, Media.net approves websites which are product-centric and talks about gifts, finance, services, etc. So for a faster approval, your website needs to be on the same category with a significant volume of traffic coming from US and Canada. Additionally, you can contact them via email. should you think your website meets all the approval criteria, and ask them to approve your website ASAP. So what are you even waiting for? Sign up with Media.net right now by clicking on the link given above, or you may get it from the description below as well. And furthermore, if you find this video useful in any way, please do like, share and drop a comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. And always remember, to see many more interesting videos like this, stay tuned to Skill Convo.